So this is the Burmese curly headband wig in 20 inches from CurlsCurls. You guys know when I'm dealing with my curly units, before I install it, I like to co-wash the hair. First, I'm going to saturate the hair and then apply some of my Aussie Moist shampoo. Next, I'm going to go in with this detangling brush and just comb through the unit. And this is going to help detangle the hair, and then I gently wash it with warm water. Next, I follow up with my Aussie Moist conditioner, which I love to use for all my curly units, and detangle that hair as well. And then you want to rinse with cold water. Now, as you guys can see, the curls on this unit began to pop, and now it's ready for me to wear. Okay, dolls, so now that I've allowed the hair to air dry, this is what it looks like. Let me give you a close-up of those curls. As you can see, they're absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the unit on. Luckily, I just finished filming a video, so my hair is already sleeked down and ready to install. Go ahead and put the wig cap on. And this unit does have 3 combs in the front. This one is directly in the front, 2 on the sides, and 1 on the back. And I pointed out that it's directly in the front because I just finished doing an install where the comb in the middle was all the way to the back, and it literally drove me crazy. So if any wig vendor is watching this video, please don't put your comb in that location. It's useless. But I digress. Let's get back to this install. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on. I'm gonna take the comb in the middle, slide that under the wig cap, and take the 2 combs on the side and tuck them in as well. I'm gonna take the last comb and tuck that into the stocking cap in the back. Then go ahead and secure the Velcro straps. I'm gonna push this back a little bit so that some of the edges are showing, and the wig is installed. Now, I already did a review for their Kinky Curly I think it's 4C, 4A texture. So this is the next level down. So as you can see, the curl pattern is slightly looser, but it's definitely still defined. It's really beautiful. So if your hair is of a looser texture, this one will fit you better. However, if your hair is a little bit more kinkier, you may want to check out my other video that I did, and I'll be sure to link that up top in the eye above so you can see which texture suits you. But as you can see, this hair is beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. Of course, you guys know that you can definitely just rock your headband wig like this as is without putting on any additional headband. However, if you do want to put on headbands, I will go ahead and try on a couple of headbands that they sent me previously, just so you can get an idea of what that looks like. The first one is this beautiful scarf, and I'm gonna try it on a little different than how I wore it before. If you wear it like a normal scarf, this is a perfect style for those of you who don't want to show your edges. I think this is very cute. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Guys, I can't help it. I'm sorry. This hair is just beautiful to me. And look at this. No edges showing. So if you don't feel like slicking your hair down, you don't. So that's one way you could wear it. Okay, so next I'm gonna show you another way you can wear this scarf. You could just roll it up and then just bring it to the front. And as you can see, this is real tropical looking. I just love the color of this scarf. It's beautiful. It has so many colors in it, it could really go with anything. Next, before I try on another headband, let me go ahead and show you guys what this unit looks like from the back. As you can see, you don't see any tracks from the back. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and try it up in a ponytail. This is what it looks like with the half up, half down. I'm gonna go ahead and try on one of the headbands that I got from Amazon. These came with 9 in a pack for $12, so it's a really good buy. And there's like a little wire in it, so it makes it a lot easier to flex and mold the headband. This hair is so pretty, but as you can see, if you want to wear this hair bigger, all you have to do is just kind of like loosely run your hand through these curls and they will expand. Also, another thing I think would be great, if you plan on like wearing it out for the most part, I would suggest shaping the hair, like usually like just taking your scissors and then bringing it down to shape the hair. That usually gives the hair a more natural feel, and it just helps it like frame your face a lot better. She is really cute. I'm sorry if I keep saying that, but I like her. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna do one or two more hairstyles for you guys, and then I'm gonna wrap it up. You can always also wear it as a low half up, half down. I personally prefer this way with curly hair better. It's not as full and bushy. Low pony on fleeky. And of course, you can use the headband sleeve that they sell on CurlsCurls website. This one serves dual purpose. You could wear it as a regular headband, and you can see this is fully wrapped up. You could probably see it in my mirror in the back. This is different. It's really cute. I like it. What y'all think? Another one of my Amazon headbands. So dolls, as you can see, the more I play with this hair, the bigger it gets. So if you do want your hair to stay a little bit more tamed, be sure to add some type of like eco styling gel to it. Initially, I added my Cantu shea butter to it, and that helps tame the hair while helping it keep its defined curls. But obviously, the more you play or run your hands through curly hair, it does get bigger. If you plan on playing with it, I suggest adding gel to your hair as opposed to the Cantu shea butter, because gel will actually tame it a lot more. However, the curls may be looser. This unit that I'm wearing is their Burmese curly unit. This is in the 3A, 3C texture. This is an 150% density, and it is 20 inches, I believe. Let me double check. Yep, it's 20 inches. And for it to only be 150% density, you guys can see how big this gets. That's usually the case when it comes to kinkier units. You don't have to necessarily go up on density because it does have the ability to get big. Their hair is 100% virgin hair, and the starting price of this unit is around $169. Of course, the price increases as you increase with length. The cap size that I'm wearing is a size small. My head is about 22 inches. If your head size is similar to mine, you would go for a small. However, they do have different size cap size to fit all heads. So dolls, be sure to let me know which style you like best. I personally like it like this. I prefer it big. Y'all know I like big hair, so you know, to each his own. Find what best suits you. Of course, when we're dealing with Curls and Curls, they are a factory direct vendor, so the hair comes straight from them, which allows them to cut a lot of costs and allow them to sell the units at a reasonable price. And the hair is pretty reliable. I haven't really heard any bad reviews about this brand. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm not sure if I have a coupon code. If I do, I will have it linked across the screen. And as always, all the information for this unit will be linked in the description box down below. But dolls, before I get out of here, y'all gotta help me name this unit. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. And dolls, as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.